Action.
I'm with Angus. I want to ask Angus some questions about a project we're doing, which is a bit like something called paired programming, but I don't know what that is. What's paired programming, Angus?
So I mean, when we do pair programming in software engineering, it's sort of one developer is like driving, you say, so they're in control of the computer, and you've got someone around them, or if you're online, it'll be you're sharing a screen, and then someone just like watching over your shoulder, basically, just watching what you're doing, making comments about why you're doing that sort of thing.
So we're looking at doing a paired writing project, which we're going to try and follow the principles of paired programming. So someone is at the keyboard with the computer and the other person's watching them and offering them comments.
Yeah.
My first thought is, isn't that irritating?
I mean, in person it definitely is, because you've got someone behind you and they're like smelly with bad breath or whatever. It's super annoying. But I do it mainly like remote, so I'm at a computer, I'm sharing, and I've got like 3 or 4 people, watching my screen. But no, it's actually all right once you get into it and do it a lot.
Right. So what's the benefit of this then?
For one, it like makes you focus. So the fact that you've got 3 other people watching you can't like switch to Netflix or whatever, and
Right. Yeah. Okay.
So you've got that, and sort of, I don't know, the fact that they're watching and not doing anything, they can pick up on stuff that you might have missed, like, and they ask you, why do you do that? They might know more than you about something else. So
And are they coming in with their comments like immediately as soon as they see a thing, like, or is it do you not get a barrage of comments and questions?
I think it definitely depends on the developer you're working with. Some are like, oh, you just missed that comma like 3 seconds after you typed it or whatever. But some are more lenient and will be like, oh, you've missed that or something. But no, yeah, it definitely depends on who you're working with. But most of the people.
And as a process, paired programming, which we're going to turn into paired writing, does it produce better programming?
Yeah, I think so. I think I'm definitely more productive when I'm working with people that can spot my mistakes, because you've got the flow of ideas, you've got multiple people's ideas, sort of can collaborate in real time, as opposed to me writing some code and then them checking it at the end. It's sort of, they can do it while I'm doing it. It just makes it a lot more.
So in that situation, because we're going to be, one of us is writing and the other one is watching, which is it better to be, the driver or the person watching?
It depends, because I think if you can type quickly and you know your way around like Word or something, it's beneficial to be the driver. But it's also good to switch it up so people get experience writing quickly and stuff. But I don't know, I sort of like it both. I prefer driving because I'm quite quick with the keyboard. But
and do you come away learning anything? As in, do you change the way you program because of this?
Yeah, if someone's got a better idea, I'm writing some code that I think is right, but then they say, Angus, there's a better way to do this, then obviously I've just learned something new. You don't know what you don't know until someone tells you about it. So
very wise. And when I've spoken to Heidi about this for this project we're intending to do, she's spoken about extreme programming. Now, is that a related thing?
I think extreme programming is just a synonym for pair programming.
So it's the same thing.
Yeah.
So paired programming and extreme programming. So if we're going to do paired writing or extreme writing, which is where one of us is watching the other, then that's the same thing. So I suppose the thing I want to ask is, someone who has not done paired programming before, what would you advise them? What would you ask them to expect, or how would you ask them to behave?
I don't know. It's easy to think that it's a waste of time and that you're not going to get anything from it. But I think after a few sessions of it, you'll sort of see the benefit and realise that 2 people working on the same machine is sort of a lot more efficient than.
That's really interesting. I suppose the final question then is, you're doing this, because it sounds quite intense. How long a period of time do you do it before either swapping or taking a break?
It depends on what the people doing it want to do. I can happily sit at a computer for hours on end while someone's watching, but obviously people need to take breaks and stuff, so it's
hours on end.
Yeah.
Let me know.
We done?
Are we done?